Good Saturday morning to you. Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and this is your outlook for the weekend, April 19th and April 20th, 2014. Of course, it's the holiday weekend and a very nice weather weekend coming up for this area. No rain in the forecast. We have a high pressure that's going to be sitting up to our north, and this high pressure is actually going to be sliding off to the southeast in this direction like this, and that's going to take its time doing so. Winds are going to be generally out of the north today and then northeast as we head into Sunday. So as that high pressure moves around here, there's also another system down here well to our south here. This is actually going to move well out to sea and harmlessly offshore, will not affect our area whatsoever. And temperatures today, in response to that, we're going to go to the temperature map here on our website. This is on the bottom of this page here, and also on the daily forecast page we have this daily regional weather roundup. Temperatures across the area in the 60s, many areas in the mid to upper 60s, and it's just going to be a very, very nice day for your Saturday. On Sunday, I think with the northeast wind, we're going to be holding down temperatures probably down here in the coastal regions. So this section right here will be struggling to get out of the 50s, and that's because we're going to have that wind out of the northeast, kind of like an onshore flow, and you're going to have just right along the coast, you're going to have some some of that onshore flow to contend with, which is going to keep temperatures down a little bit. Even elsewhere across the interior, it won't be quite as warm as it is showing here, but the temperatures will be down about maybe 2, maybe 3 degrees cooler than it was on Saturday for your day on Sunday. So really, all in all, still mostly sunny though. So all in all, a nice weekend coming up here. And let's go back to the GFS now, and this is showing the rest of the weekend. I'll just take you through this here. You see here's that high pressure now sliding to the southeast off the coast like I just showed you in the previous image. And the next thing is we're going to deal with here is not going to be until Tuesday, and we're going to have this area of low pressure that's sitting over the Ohio Valley is going to actually lift off in this direction here like this, and there's an associated warm front out ahead of it like this, going to be well to our north, and a cold front that's down below it here. Now we're going to have to keep an eye on this one. It's a little too far out to really start talking about this kind of thing yet. But as this system moves up into central New York here, at least on the GFS and to some extent the European model, has this area low pressure heading up here. Here's our cold front back here like this. But the GFS and the European model are indicating some thunderstorms in this area here. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. Nothing looking like it's going to be severe regardless. Not a lot of instability present, but there could be some thunderstorms now popping up here for Tuesday evening. But this is looking like a later in the afternoon and evening system moving through on Tuesday, and not a big deal. And then behind the system is going to get chilly for one day. Chilly, not ridiculously cold. We're talking about temperatures that are going to be about 5 or so degrees below normal on Wednesday, but you're talking about still temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. So we're not talking about some brutal cold on Wednesday, but that will start to moderate beginning on Thursday as the wind starts shifting again, high pressure moves in. And then especially on Friday of next week, we're going to get back up well up in the 60s again to near 70. So we're not dealing with anything in the way of precipitation again until we get to the following weekend, and that's even questionable at this point, being that far out. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for Saturday and Sunday, April 19th and 20th, 2014. Have a great holiday weekend. Happy Easter, everyone.